and reduce. Reuse all things and recycle things to conserve the environment. Reduce and cut down what you use unnecessarily to conserve the environment. Volunteer or cleanups in your surroundings in your community. Lend a helping hand to clean up the garbage around you, in your locality and in your surroundings.
Educate. We must all educate ourselves to understand the importance of natural resources and find ways to help save the earth. Conserve water. Use less water and use recycled water whenever possible. Say no to plastic. Use other materials like glass instead of plastic. Conserve energy. Save electricity. Turn off lights and other electrical gadgets when not in use.
Throw trash in the correct bins so that it can be recycled and reused. So let's all make a conscious effort to help save our earth, to make it a better place for now and for the future generations. Today, we have gathered here not just as students but as Earth's defenders, ready to learn and inspire about change. Remember, it's not just the promise for today, it's a promise for tomorrow.
Transforming vision will help us to make a more sustainable tomorrow. As we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April, let's join hands and make it a better tomorrow.
With this thought, we now present a song, I Am But a Small Voice.
behalf of the children of Class 3C, we would now like to present Brother and Mrs. Kaushal a recycled diary on Earth Day. Thank you, brother.
I now request Brother Robert to please come forward and say a few words to us.
Yeah.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, boys. First